You're not going to believe what I did behind this curtain with Dollar Tree products. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm doing this. I told you I did this last year. These are Dollar Tree baskets. They were $3. I took down what's back here. I now just have put up peel and stick. It's not Dollar Tree. It's the same stuff I used in my shop behind my washer and dryer. And I want to show you real quick. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the Dollar Tree peel and stick. It's kind of a that's why I didn't show you me doing the back part, because it's a nightmare. I literally had to be climbing up on top of here. So, but you see where they have the crack and peel on the back. Real easy. And then you kind of just get started however you want to go, because I'm going to go this way up to the edge. It's not going to be beautiful, because trust me, this is not beautiful at all. These are very old, my washer and dryer, but they're still percolating. So here we go, trying to get it off. Okay, so, and then just I want you to got it all along the edge there, and just line it up. And then we're just going to peel it back, smooth it out. You can do this with a rag. You can do this with a smoother. You know, one of the craft ones they sell at Dollar Tree. I'm not worried about it. This is also going to get these Dollar Tree mats over top of it. And it's not going to be perfect, because this is not perfect, obviously. There you go. Sheet 1. I'll come back and show you when I'm done. There you have it, guys. Much better looking than it once was. I would tell you about using these to lay down your part where they give you the strip to line it up. Then when you pull the rest off, I would go down the center to smooth it out. Then you can work pulling back and smoothing it out. That's where I had a little bit of an issue. If you go center, otherwise it wants to bubble in the center. Now, I don't know whether that's because this isn't level, but wanted to tell you guys that. And now we're going to do the rest of the top. Just wanted to show you guys, I put 2 sets. So it's 4 of the Dollar Tree mats. Some people use them for crafting. I use them for a lot of things. But anyway, I believe they're in the kitchen section. But just to protect this a little bit, because there will be stuff and dust and da-da-da. And I just stuck them down with double-sided clear tape. Probably from the Dollar Tree too. But I just wanted you to know that I protect them. I also have Dollar Tree mats over on the washer, because that's a little more complicated to do this too. And it's the top's not that bad. So there you go. Wanted to show you my little organizer bin that's behind, you know, it sets beautifully on the back there, holds a lot of stuff. And I did do peel and stick. It's not the best, but guess what, it sure does look better than what it was before. It was terrible. To show you another little Dollar Tree nifty trick here. I put this up, I don't even know where it came from, but you could also hang it on these bars or put a tension rod back here. This little twisty little thing, This has lint in a trash bag. This has trash bags. Then it has my washcloths that I don't like in with my clothes. And then I have a little delicates bag. These are all from Dollar Tree. The delicates bag, I'm not sure. And then I have another one, and all I do, because these guys don't have a hook, is I took a little zip tie, just made a hook to hook it up there. And then, of course, you can turn it as you need for whatever. Move it out of the way. That's why I put it on a rod. You see other Dollar Tree things here that I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm going to do. But I did want to show you the Dollar Tree. Y'all remember, y'all saw me put feet, okay, with these on my pegboard. So I'm going to put these as shelf hangers. And then I have this really pretty tray. Matches all my colors here. I'm not sure. I think this came from Christmas Tree Shop a long time ago. But anyway, it goes nice with the wallpaper. Y'all don't want to watch me hang these back here. And then it'll hold that up on the back. It's a nice little sturdy tray. And over here, you see a bunch of Dollar Tree things. Little light. Writing board. Again, all my pens are missing. That's a chalk one. I need the regular stuff. And so I'm getting there, getting organized. And I have dog leashes. And, of course, Elvis for Lexi. So, anyway, hope you like this little DIY Dollar Tree. Wanted to show you guys the finished product. There will be another upcoming video on the lighting in here and Dollar Tree pegboard. This is just curtains, ancient curtains, valances I've had for 100 years since I've made this room this particular color years ago when my husband was sick. These are actually just shower curtains because they were the length that I needed. And y'all know I like my twinkle lights. This is a cornice up here, and yes, it is covered in Dollar Tree tablecloths. Just easier to wipe down. I have a little centerpiece I have to zhuzh, as they say. We just built a huge cornice. I think this is 1 by 16, me and my cousin, and hung it up because I wanted this not to look like an open utility room here. And I also didn't really want to build a permanent closet because we have vents up there. So this was my solution. Been here ever since. It's been destroyed by my dog and the rods were bent and la la la. But this is my solution, that I can take the curtains down and wash them very easily. And that plastic can be wiped down all around the cornice. So, there you go. Put back together.